Hello, welcome to South Central Service Cooperative's Tech Tuesday. My name is Joanne Womack. I'm the Technology Coordinator Integrationist here at the Co-op, and I will be your host. I hope you enjoyed this week's session. Hi, today we are going to talk about using Google offline. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you are connected to the internet. This is very important. You have to be using the Chrome web browser, not Internet Explorer or Firefox, but it must be Chrome. You cannot be in the incognito mode. You need to be in just regular Chrome. And you have to install and turn on the Google Docs offline Chrome extension. Now, I couldn't search for this at the store. I had to actually Google it, and I found it in the directions. So just a word to the wise, you're probably not going to find it in the App Store. You're going to have to locate it just by Googling it. And then, of course, you want to make sure you have enough space on your device to save your files. So next, you're going to go to your Google Drive. I'm inside of a folder right here. My main drive, is right here. If I hit the gear, I can go to Settings. From here, I can put a check mark where it says Offline, create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slide files on this device while offline. So you'll have to do this on the machine you want to work on. Okay, so once you've done that, you should notice this little check mark right here. So I turn it on when I want to look and see which files I'm going to be able to look at offline. So I'm going to turn that on, or toggle switch that on. And you see how it's turned on now. And I'm going to look at it in a list. It's a little easier to look at if you're looking at a list. Let me just come down here. I've got all these folders. You have to be inside looking at some documents. Okay, so I can look and see which ones I am going offline. Notice nothing is really offline right now, but let's say that I wanted this 5-year eval available offline, then I could right click and turn that on. So now it's got the little check mark there that it's available offline. And so you can do this to any of the files that you want to make sure are available. And when you get ready to swap to other files, you right click and you can turn them off. And notice the little check mark goes away. So that is how you can toggle your files to be available offline or online. I hope that has helped you out. Tune in next week.